I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Create integrations. Now choose Trigger. Fluent Support. Now copy the webhook URL and fetch the data. Now go to the Fluent Support dashboard. Navigate to the workflows. Add new workflow. Give here a meaningful workflow name. Choose workflow type. Continue. Choose workflow trigger. Choose an action trigger outgoing webhook. Now paste the webhook URL and give the action title. Save it. Now publish the workflow. Navigate to the ticket. Create a ticket to fetch the data. Here you can see the data has been fetched successfully. Set action. Search and select actions. Albato. Give here the webhook link. So visit Albato dashboard. New. Click on plus icon and choose Sender App Webhook. Choose Event. Choose Webhook Account. Add a trigger. Click on Webhook Catcher and copy the webhook link. Wait for webhook. And paste it here. Body. Send all data. Choose Application JSON. Test webhook. Webhook executed successfully done. Here is advanced features in conditional logics. You can use it for your own requirement. Next. Finish and save it. Now go to Albato site. And choose your desired action to receive data. I am choosing MailChimp. Choose an action. Choose an account. Add a connection. Grant Albato access. Then do all the process. Choose a list. Add an action. Map the respective fields. Save. Then start the integrations. Go to Fluent Support and create a ticket. Ticket created successfully. Now go to MailChimp site and here you can see the data came successfully in MailChimp via Albato. You can also see the automation log in Albato. Thanks for watching.